Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to send a TikTok video in Messenger. So let's get right into it. If you want to send a TikTok video in your Messenger, what you can do is open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok application, now you have to select a video that you would like to send. So for example, I would like to send this video. So now to send this video, what you have to do is just tap on the share icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on the share icon, it will take you to your share to section of your TikTok. So now to share this video, just tap on the Messenger app. You might have to scroll to find your Messenger, but I have my Messenger in the first. Just tap on that Messenger. And after tapping on Messenger, now it will take you to the share to section of your Messenger application. Now what you can do is search for a friend that you would like to share. And after searching for that friend, beside his profile icon you can find send option. You just have to tap on that option, and after tapping on that option you have sent this video to your friend successfully. So now if you want to check if you have sent this video or not, what you can do is come back to your home screen and then search for Messenger. And after searching for Messenger, here you can find the video has been sent successfully. So this is how to send a TikTok video in Messenger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.